Does your industry have sanitation procedures or disinfectant protocols? JBI Distributors works with manufacturers, transportation fleets, food processing facilities, and others to comply with their sanitation standards. JBI is an authorized distributor for the industry's revolutionary disinfectant, Decon7. Not only has D7 been approved by the EPA's list in to combat the novel coronavirus, D7 is a broad-spectrum disinfectant, cleaner, deodorizer, and food contact sanitizer, killing a minimum of 99.9999% of bacteria in biofilm. D7 is non-corrosive, making for the perfect solution for cleaning and disinfecting any company's equipment and vehicles. D7 was also designed to have relatively low toxicity levels and to become biodegradable after 8 hours, helping to protect our natural environments after the solution is washed away. Decon7's versatility is unmatched. Depending on your situation, the solution can easily be applied via foam, spray, atomized, mopping, and even used as a laundry detergent. JBI is equipped to provide your company with the professional services needed to disinfect your facilities, whether it's during an outbreak or during routine sanitation procedures. Already have the crew to disinfect your facility yourself? Disinfectant Mixing Stations can be purchased for your maintenance team to utilize our D7 solution on your own terms. Contact JBI Distributors today for a free biosecurity consultation. JBI, experts in biosecurity and innovation.